Hello everyone. Okay, I plan to make a video so that every one of you can explore this website nicely. Okay, when you log into your child's account, you will see this page first, right? Okay, things to do means that whenever I assign any task to my students, you will find that task here. Okay, so until now I haven't given anything, so no need to worry about it. Okay, now let's come to the library. If you when you click onto the library, here you will find mathematics and reading is for English. Okay, so mathematics here, if when you click here, you will find wherever you see written G1 means grade 1. Okay, do not click on G3, it will take you to grade 3 level. Okay, so G1, you will find plenty of things here. Like for example, if I click on this one, interactive. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, this one, it will open in another window. Here for example, right, we are doing chapter 8, so click on chapter 8, 8.1, and then just wait for a while. Yeah, now it's uploaded. Okay, so you will see the whole video here, like how to start the lesson with your child. Okay, if you click on it to step by step, it will take you this one. Okay, personal math trainer. Here you will practice with your child. Okay, here it will take you some questions. You can print these questions as well, or math on the spot means you can see some of the videos. If you like for example, if I click here, it will take you to the video. If you, for example, if there is a difficult question, like the challenging question in the paper, in the textbook, you will find some of the challenging questions. So you can see, if you can play this video, you will see this one. Okay, so you can, like, everything is explained in this video. Here, textbook, you will find the PDF of the whole lesson, like 8.1. If you go down, so you will find the whole lesson is here. Okay, so if you want to download, you can download it. Okay, now let's go back to the same page. Here now, if you go right here, animated maths model, this is very nice. You just click on it. Okay, here now, for example, if I click on this one, model separating. Okay, you can click anything, whatever you have done until now, whatever your child has done. Okay, now then click go. Okay, then after that, again click on this Adobe Flash. Just wait. Okay, now here, let's see, they are showing you the video. Okay, how to separate the things. Okay, now next, if you click on the do math,
choose the number that shows how many are left.
Okay, so here
drag your answer.
That's the question for you. Now here, independent practice. Okay, you can write anything here. Just wait, loading data. Okay, data. Just here.
Click your answer.
Okay, then there will be a quiz.
Subtract.
Okay,
click your answer.
So this is, you can use this one. Then you can go here, like for example, if I go here, this one, iTools primary, you can explore everything here. Okay, there are plenty of things. For example, if I click on base 10 blocks, again you need to click on this. Okay, here now, this is amazing. Like for example, they have done it. Okay, the place values, the 10 blocks, the ones blocks. Okay, right, so you can click it, and now then select kids will enjoy. Okay, and then they will see the number. Okay, for example, okay, now then compare. For example, compare, you go to the activities, show, compare, add or subtract. Okay, compare. Again, I am making some number here. Okay, this one is 40, as you can see here. Then next number again down. Okay, here if I want to put some ones, and here I want to put only one, so now I need to select which one will go. They have done it recently, so they must have, they will definitely enjoy this one. Okay, so yeah, you can select anything, this one or whatever this one, and then check. Okay, so you can do this one as well. Okay, now this one. Okay, what else is here? Let's see. You need to explore by yourself. Okay, there if you go to this one, STEM activities, you will see, okay, let's suppose 8th chapter. Okay, now let's see this one. There are some questions given, like related to some science or some maths, so you can just read with your child as well. Do the math, solve a problem. Here, look here, they have given some questions. Okay, just let them do if they want, but try to do at least 1 or 2 questions at least after 1 day or 2 days on alternate days. Okay, make a practice with them. Okay, now if we go to reading now, you will see plenty of things here. Okay, now let's see, again we have to look for G1 only. Okay, now let's see, like for example, you will find here, here you will see students resources. Students resources, you will find so many things here. Let's see here. The first one is Audio Hub. Okay, Audio Hub means you will find all the audios of your lessons from the book. Okay, so right now we are doing At Home in the Ocean, so you can practice reading with your child.
At Home in the Ocean by Roseanne Lansack Williams. Essential question. What kinds of plants and animals would you find in the ocean?
Okay, so this is the whole lesson, so you can practice reading with your child so that they can also practice with that. Okay, then we can go like here, for example, picture card. You can go to the picture card, access picture. You will find so many pictures here. Okay, you can discuss with them, like what are these things. Okay, just discuss with them. Like here, look here, they have given the vocabulary with the pictures, right? Okay, so this is another one. Now let's go back. Okay, here Video Hub as well. Let's see what is that. Okay, now here unit 3 we are doing, right? Unit 3 has been started. Now we are doing At Home, I think so, At Home in the Ocean. Yeah, okay, so you will find a video related to that one, at sea in the ocean.
Our world is a very interesting place. We share it with lots of different plants and animals.
Okay, here you can go back. Okay, then you will go here. Reader's notebook is also there. Then you can go here. Big books. If you go to big books, you will explore the books. They are the stories, you can read with them. They will definitely enjoy this. Okay, here After that, okay, if you go back, to the same page, here you will find student ebook as well. Okay, then you have you need to dig in this website. You will find so many things. Whenever you are free, just sit and then explore. Okay, if you go to Journeys Write and Reader, this one. If you go to this one, book 2, look here. You will find the text with some related questions to them. So they would love to answer them. Look here. This is amazing. The pictures are so nice, they will love it. Okay, this one. Now, so these are the things you need to explore. I hope this video will help you, and still you need more assistance in this one, please let me know. I will be there to help you anytime. Okay, thank you.